Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46 guys, and if you had the headlight washing system guys and you're trying to find the fuse for it, stay with us and we'll show you where it's located. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. It should be the same place for the whole generation from 1998 all the way until 2006 guys. So let me show you where it's located. Let me get out of the car now quick, switch places, and we'll need to find the fuse box. Okay, and the fuse box is located behind the glove box. Okay, let me show you now where. We need to go ahead, open our glove box. This is the new mechanic right here. You're going to see her quite often now. Okay, and once you guys open your glove box, okay, right here, you will see on top, okay, we have two white things that we need to turn towards the outside, like that. We'll be able to drop it down guys, and this is your fuse box. The numbers for the fuses are printed for the top row on top, the bottom row they're engraved in the plastic right here, and the fuse guys that we're looking at now, okay, will be fuse number guys 51. Okay, it should be a 30 amp fuse. Okay, this fuse right here, this is fuse number 51. How you replace it? You grab the puller. Okay, if the puller is stuck, you need to squish on top like that and pull it out. Then squish on top, spread it, go on top of the fuse, and then squish on the front side and pull the fuse out. Perfect, super simple, right? All the fuses guys, the replacement fuses and all that stuff will be listed guys in the description of the video below for your convenience, and see where we get them from for a really good affordable price. Okay, now I need to go ahead and install the fuse. Okay, I will limit the light a little bit. Okay, perfect. Everything is aligning really good now. All we have to do next, install your fuse puller right here. Okay, like that. Don't forget to close your glove box, fuse box, excuse me, so you don't break it when you close the glove box. And you can bring the glove box up. This is guys the whole procedure. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you guys trying to find that fuse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.